Yeah, it says almost 300,000 miles on it, though.
We'd still buy it.
You guys would give me what it's worth. Yeah.
We'd look at it. Yeah, we bought things with more miles than that before. When do you think you'd be available to come in and take a look? Can you come in this afternoon or this evening? Or
I like your confidence.
appreciate it. I like how hard you work for a deal. We both like each other. It's a good place to start.
Hello?
This is Kyle from the dealership. Thank you for taking my call. I appreciate it.
Yeah, Kyle. I think I just called you and texted you.
Oh, cool.
At least I hope this is who I'm talking to. I was online and I noticed that you work at the dealership. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I noticed that you all have listed a that
Is that the thing in the
I
showroom?
believe,
No.
silver with a black interior.
Yes, sir.
Do you have that in stock?
I'll double check to confirm. I believe that one's in stock. And then if we don't have that one, we got a bunch of availability on trucks. So you're talking to the right place.
I mean, do you have a bunch of? I was really looking. I really don't want to spend too much.
So we had cars available. If we don't have what you want, we could always find it for you.
Yeah, I think I was looking to see what you had available.
Cool, awesome. Let me do this. I'll double check on that one, and I think that we do. And then what are you driving now?
Well, it's a 01.
Oh, cool. What are you going to do with that one?
Hang on to it. Yeah.
Man, I wish you'd sell it. We need trucks right now.
Yeah, it says almost 300,000 miles on it, though.
We'd still buy it.
You guys would give me what it's worth. Yeah.
We'd look at it. Yeah, we bought things with more miles than that before.
Yeah.
It looks like I do have the truck. I'll triple check to confirm, and I'll let you know if there's any issues. When do you think you'd be available to come in and take a look? Can you come in this afternoon or this evening? Or
Maybe. I'm in the market at the moment. I'm just kind of thinking this through. One of the things that was attractive to me is the really low interest rate you guys have right now. So I thought, well, maybe you could swing it.
Yeah.
But with all those variables, would you say your name was again?
Kyle.
With all those variables, Kyle, I'm not 100% sure I'll be there. But one thing that you could do is just, confirm that for me. And I sent you a text. I think that was you. I just sent a text to.
Okay.
I hope so.
Sure.
And if you could just text me back and let me know, say, like in there. So I'm guessing you guys didn't do that in how you listed this, which puts this generally in the same ballpark as. So all that to say, I hadn't even thought about making a trip to it. But you guys may all be in the same ballpark.
Yeah, sure. No, let me ask you this. If you were totally happy with the price of the truck and I had something that worked for you, you're like, wow, that sounds great. What would your next step be?
If it sounded great, totally happy, being okay, it might be the right price point, then I would probably proceed on to get it.
Cool. And then would you come in this afternoon, you said, or?
Oh, that I'm not sure of. I remember I said before there was a couple other things I was looking at.
Oh, no, that's why I asked you. If you were like,
yeah. So,
if you were like, this is fantastic, I love this, this is the greatest thing ever, I don't even need to look around anymore, you guys are so awesome, what would your next step be?
Well, I mean, if that were the case, with that awesomeness, how could you not, right?
Sure. And what would awesome look like?
To get to that point, that's the hard part, right?
Yeah. What would awesome look like? You trying to beat a certain payment, or?
I guess I'd have to see that you guys had it. I'd have to look at it. But awesome would probably have to look like the lowest price around, and we could talk about that if I made it out there.
All right, cool. I'll text you a link as a starting point. And on this link, it's going to have like prices, payments, all that type of stuff. And if you were in love with the deal, sorry to keep asking you this, I'm just trying to figure out where we're at. Would you come in today, or would it have to be like this weekend, or?
Yeah, if I was in love with the deal, I might come in today. Yeah.
All right, perfect.
But I guess, Kyle, what you could do to help me out is more than picking it. What I would need to see is the lowest price you could do.
Sure. Yeah, I'll get you all that stuff. And if it did work out, just so I could try and get the schedule and all that stuff, what time do you think today?
Man, I don't want to hold you up, Kyle. So.
No, it's all right. That's what I do for a living. That's what I do all day. Just give me a ballpark guess.
I guess it'd be early afternoon, something like that.
All right, perfect. I'll get to work on this. Neither I'll get back to you or a manager will. And we'll look forward to seeing you. I'm confident we can work this out. Tentatively plan on coming here this afternoon. I think we're going to put a deal together, and I'll see you soon. I'll send you all the stuff.
Okay.
Perfect,
All
sir.
right,
I appreciate you.
Hey, dude, I'm not. I'm not promising.
No, I hear you. No, I hear you.
Yeah.
I got to do everything I can to sell you a truck, and I know I got the best.
One of those people who tells you to do something.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
We'll look forward to seeing you.
So, all right, man.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Okay, I like your confidence.
Appreciate
All right,
it.
Kyle. See
I
ya.
like how hard you work for a deal. We both like each other. It's a good place to start.
All right, man.
Thank you.
I like you.
Appreciate it.
See ya.
Bye. He's taking as far as you can go, right?